Today I'm making my go-to chicken quesadillas. Crispy, cheesy, and super easy. Listen to that crunch. But first I'm going to clean out the veins and the seeds out of this really sweet red bell pepper. So just going to clean everything out so it stays nice and sweet and get rid of some of that bitterness. And these are all pre-washed. Make sure you tap all the seeds out, get everything out nice and clean. And to make things even easier, I'm going to use this vegetable dicer that I bought off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. And this slicer is really cool. It comes with two separate blades, one for thick dicing and one for small dicing. You can just pop the blade in and use the locking mechanism to lock it in place. Then I'm going to grab my bell pepper slice, which I cut in half just to be able to make it fit, and just press that down until it pops and you see the dicing underneath. Now, just in case the bell pepper or whatever you're dicing in there is too big, you just cut it up into the right size and then just press it down. And this no-tear solution works great for onions. You just cut the onion to the right size to fit into the block and just press it down. Look at the beautiful dicing that it makes. And the cleaning, super easy. Unlock the blade, take it out. Also the top part, the press part, you release this little lever here and take it out. Now what's cool about this, they call it self-cleaning because you can just press the back here and it releases anything in the little grooves. So you can see it kind of pop out. And then take the press, the blade, and the unit itself, put that in the dishwasher. Now for the chicken. This is all store-bought rotisserie chicken, which I stripped down off the bone. I'm just going to give it a rough chop just to have kind of semi-big chunks. So I'm going to get all this diced chicken into the bowl again. Preheat your air fryer to about 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Get in one of your flour tortillas. I'm using probably an 8 or 9 inch tortilla here. A little bit of olive oil. And flip it over. Get some of this cheese on it. Get your favorite cheese. I'm using a combination of cheddar cheese, the red and the yellow. I'm going to add the peppers and the onions on top and some more shredded cheese on top of that. And for seasoning, I'm just using the old El Paso taco blend, which has all that Mexican flavoring to it. Add a little bit more olive oil and now add the chicken. Make sure to spread it out as far to the edge as possible. Press it down a little bit and add some more cheese on top, of course. Then just slide the air fry basket into your air fryer. Set your temperature for about 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pull it out. Add more cheese on top because we're going to add the top layer of the quesadilla. Another flour tortilla on top. Press it all down. A little bit of olive oil. I'm also going to be using this grill basket, which comes with the Drio air fryer, just to hold the top layer down so it doesn't fly away into the heating element. Slide that into your air fryer again, 400 degrees for about 2 or 3 minutes. You just want to toast it up a little bit. Everything's pretty much cooked. And then when it comes out, you can just take a look at that. Beautiful. It's a nice crispy color. You got even color in this air fryer, and you can hear the crunch as I press down on top of it here. I can't wait to dig into this. So to cut it, I'm just going to use a pizza cutter. Listen to the crunch. Oh, this is going to be so good. And the cheese is all super melty and gooey. And take a look at that cheese pull. And I'm just going to have this with a side of salsa. Let me know in the comment section below how you like your salsa, mild, medium, or the hot salsa.
Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.